In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wix bookings and create your first service. We'll start right in the Wix editor. On the left side, open the App Market, sometimes labeled Apps, and use the search bar to look for Wix bookings. Click it, then choose Add to Site. Give it a moment to install. Behind the scenes, Wix is adding the booking tools and creating the dashboard you'll use to manage everything. When the installation completes, the Wix Bookings dashboard opens automatically. Think of this as your command center. This is where you'll create services, track appointments, and manage your schedule and client details. To add your first offering, click Add a New Service. You'll see options for appointment, class, course, and custom. Pick the one that best matches your business. Appointments are perfect for one-on-one sessions like consultations. Classes fit recurring group sessions such as weekly yoga. Courses are ideal for multi-session programs that run over several days. If none of those fit, choose custom to start from scratch. Now customize the service details, give it a clear descriptive name so clients know exactly what they're booking, like 30-minute consultation or beginner Pilates class. Set the duration and add buffer time to give yourself space to prep, wrap up, or travel between sessions. Enter the price per session and choose your payment options. If you offer extras, add them as add-ons such as recorded sessions or printed materials and assign any additional fees. Choose the service location. You can make it online with your preferred video link or select a physical location for in-person sessions. If you work with a team, assign staff so bookings route to the right person's calendar. Upload a clean, professional image to help your service stand out. Finally, set your booking preferences. Decide how far in advance clients can book and set your cancellation or rescheduling window to protect your time and keep expectations clear. Before you finalize, review everything carefully. The description, price, location, staff, image, and preferences. When it all looks right, click Save or Create Service. To make it live, click Publish in the top right of the Wix editor. Open your site in a new tab, go to the Bookings page, and click Book Now on your new service. Walk through the entire flow just like a client would. Choose a time, enter details, and complete payment if required. Confirm that the booking appears on your calendar and that you receive an email or notification if you've enabled them. If anything looks off, return to the dashboard and adjust settings until the experience is smooth. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.